Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to show you how we can change our DP on our WhatsApp. So, to change our DP, we have to come on our WhatsApp homepage. After this, just click on the three dots on the top right corner. After clicking those three dots, you'll have an option to select settings on those menu. So, clicking on settings here will give you an option with account. So click on before account, there will be a photograph, click on that one. So it will have your option to change your photograph. Go to that camera icon here, just clicking on that one will allow you with two options, one with camera and another with gallery. So with the camera you can take your selfie and upload straight away, and going to gallery, you will have an option to select from your all the photographs. So if you are having already preloaded photographs on your gallery, just click on that one and select your photographs whichever you would like to, and I'm just selecting this, and how much area of that photograph you would like to select, just crop that one and then done. That's all. My old photograph has been changed to the new one. It's so simple, right? One more time I'll show it to you. And go to WhatsApp homepage, go to three dots on your top right corner. Upon going settings, then followed by photograph, and click that camera icon. Will enable you with two options, camera and gallery, whichever you want, just click it. So I'm clicking on my gallery and then selecting. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video.